Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome again to another unboxing video. This time we're gonna be unboxing these two LAZADA mystery boxes. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe because after this video, I'll be giving away 100 pesos worth of GCash. So make sure you subscribe and write comment below with your GCash number. So I'll be announcing the winner on my next video. So each of the box is worth 199 pesos. So for these two boxes here, 400 pesos for these two. So as you can see, the amount is 550 pesos, 400 plus 150 for the shipping. So let us see kung worth it nga ba ang 200 pesos sa isang mystery box ng Lazada. So let us open. Ano kayang laman ito? So let's start with this box. So first item is, I will just randomly pick. First item is Samsung Galaxy S8 S9 earphones. So the first item is an earphone. Let us open. There you have it. An earphone from Samsung. But I think this is not a legit Samsung earphone. For this is nasa mga 80 to 150 pesos. Siguro. So ayan. First item is an earphone. Next is a tripod, a mini tripod. Pinakamaliit na tripod. Ayan, tripod. I think the price of this is nasa mga 50 to 100 pesos. Okay, tripod. Next, high-speed card reader, micro SD USB 2.0. Ayan. Siguro nasa mga 50 to 100 pesos ang isa nito. Ayan. Ano ba ba? wala na. So ayun, ang laman ng first box natin is R, USB reader, card reader, a tripod, and an earphone, Samsung daw. So I think worth naman siguro ang 199 for these 3 items. So my thank you card. Ayan. So proceed tayo sa second box. Second box. Okay, for the second box, first item is this magic suction cup for mobile phone bracket. Let us open this one. How are we going to use this? I think this is for cell phones. Dito ilalagay ang cellphone. Magkano kaya ang isa nito? I think this item is worth mga around 30 to 50 pesos ang isa. First item. Next is USB light. Let's open this one. Ang gamit nito is ilalagay lang sa power bank para magkailaw, or pwede rin ilagay sa laptop para kahit madilim makikita ang mga keyboards. I think nasa 20 to 30 pesos ang isa nito. Second item. Third item is selfie stick. Selfie stick for selfies. Groupies. So ayan, third item. Ang price nito siguro is nasa mga 50 to 100 pesos. 50 plus 20 plus 30, mga nasa 100 pesos lang ang second box na rin. Wala na. Second box. First box. So ito lahat ng ating items for the 2 boxes. We have mini tripod, an earpiece, card reader, phone bracket, USB light, and selfie stick. So yan. Ito lang. So worth it nga ba ang ating 400 pesos for these items? I think medyo nalugi tayo ng kaunti. For the second box is nasa around 100 pesos lang. Pero sa first box, siguro umabot naman siya ng 199. So, ang laman ng ating mystery boxes. So ayan, again, I'm announcing that after this video I'll be giving away 100 pesos of GCash. So make sure again to subscribe and write any comment below with your GCASH number. So that's it. Thank you for watching. This is David, and for the winners of our giveaway, I'll be announcing it in my next video. Thank you.